Okay, this is our Kona. She's 13 and a half. Andrew, are you 7? All right, Kona, this is the ball. Tell people this is the ball that you use, a Chucky ball. Because if you use a tennis ball with how much ball you like, your teeth would have been sawed down to nubs. So get the Chucky ball. It's a little grimy right now because I have been playing with her. Okay, so one of the things is you throw it, not super far. She doesn't need to go far to play. And she brings it back. Okay, go on. And then sometimes I roll it. She just wants to get it and play. The other thing I can do is bounce it up. Good girl. Bring it. Drop it. Good girl. Okay. Okay. Or roll it like a bowling ball, because if we throw it too hard, she smacks into that wall, which we had to learn the hard way. She's cracked a few teeth. Or I throw it to her and she catches it. She's a catcher. She's 13 and a half. Okay, so I have some distance, or I can bounce it, and so there we go. All right, one more. Okay, good girl, Kona. That's it, last one. That's it, no more. That's it. Good girl.